Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I'm Mohammed Rahman Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make disconnection timer electrical wiring circuit diagram. If you're new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. MCB circuit breaker, contactor, timer relay, first phase connection to MCB, second phase connection to MCB, third phase connection to MCB, neutral connection to MCB. Phase and neutral connection output from MCB to connect contactor. Neutral connection input to timer relay. Phase connection input to timer relay. First phase connection from contactor to connect timer relay. Three phase connection output from contactor for load. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.